Hello and welcome to another update video about SEI. SEI is still in the support region. It tries to go, I think. We currently see breakout attempts here and there in the crypto market, which is great because a lot of the bullish setups we've been tracking where the charts showed very deep pullbacks, they start to get very active now. And SEI potentially as well. I mean, SEI already attempted a breakout here, failed, came down very deep again, reached exactly this 100% extension level, which was one of the micro support levels here on the chart, reacted to it, but now it needs to go either from here or maybe from 52 cents, but I really don't want it to go below 52 cents anymore. Yes, we've got the 44.2 cent level there on the chart, but yeah, it's just not, I can tell you below 52 cents, the quality of the chart is going to reduce. And also if the next breakout attempt isn't successful, the quality of the chart will reduce because the size of this fourth wave is just getting sort of out of proportion with the size of this wave 2. Even with the size of this wave 2, just assuming we might already be in this fourth wave, in the larger fourth, still it's getting quite large. So ideally this is going, I mean, we are still in what looks mostly like corrective price action. So that's all good. But it really needs to move to the upside at some point now, yeah. Maybe one more low would be acceptable. It might be, I mean, I'm labeling it as a WXY structure here at the moment, but for a WXY, ideally, we form one more low below the previous one, which was made here at 56.2 cents. It's also possible that the wave 4 bottomed here around the 23rd of January, ABC, okay, then it would be an ABC, and then this is some kind of a 1-2 setup, but it really would need to turn around now. So that's why we've got these two scenarios. So essentially we are now in such a support zone, in a trend reversal area where we would like to see this turn to the upside, but I don't see enough evidence yet. So first indication that we are moving to the upside, which is what should happen really in the primary scenario, regardless of whether it's turning around from here or makes one more low. But currently I'm still tracking mainly upside in wave 5. But first evidence that we are already moving higher would be a move above the last swing high at 64.8 cents. And then better evidence is a break above that resistance here of this B wave high, or in the white count it would be the wave 1 high. I mean, to be fair, if we turn to the upside now, it's going to be a third wave to the upside that's unfolding, right? The wave 3 to the upside should, by the way, get round about to 98 cents minimally, but we're going to take a look at that in a minute. But this is a level that needs to be taken out in a third wave to confirm basically that the third wave is running. Or even if we make one more low now, okay, and then move to the upside, a break above a B wave high is usually a good suggestion that the next move up is actually unfolding, okay? So that's sort of what we're tracking. It's corrective movement to the downside, so we have good overlapping price action. That's all quite constructive, to suggest that we are in an overall bullish structure here. But I just haven't seen enough yet to say the low is already in. Unfortunately, the last rally was only in 3 waves. As I explained in the last video, that's not a disaster, because the next move up that we're tracking is basically in this white structure, a 5th wave. So it could be an ending diagonal. So the wave 1 could be an ABC. But then, I can't, it's not like, on the Matic chart, which is going at the moment, we've had 5 waves up. So that's clear. Here, it's just not that clear. So then you need to think about, okay, do I really want to buy a 4th wave pullback where we so far only had 3 waves up, or rather Matic, which is gone now anyway, but where we had 5 waves up, and it's actually a wave 2 pullback, so much better reward to risk ratio. So just to give you an idea of how to understand the analysis, but still, I'll give it the benefit of the doubt. This might also turn into some kind of a triangle, we'll see, but it's just getting quite large for the overall wave degree we're dealing with here. Nevertheless, as long as above support, I'm looking at higher, and we just have to be a little bit patient for the market to make the move. For the market to make the move. I mean, Bitcoin is attempting a breakout. I think not quite successful yet. So that will probably that adds into the complexities of this chart, obviously. So yeah, that's my update about SEI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.